You have your trophy, and my brain cells are just fine. Hello? Where is everybody? I'm the only brain cell left. But at least I have that book.
There we go. Okay. Well, that was quite a bit of raking to get that on lock, and I'm going to show you why. This is a duo style lock, and I have one here with the end piece taken off so that you can actually see inside, and what is revealed there is about 20 wafers. Around 8 of these wafers are set opposing each other. There's 2 sets of 8 opposing each other, and then there's an independent set of 4 that actually run from the side milling of this particular lock. I've posted close-up pictures of these locks on www.keypicking.com if you want to have a look. There's some close-ups, but generally they're all the same. They run 3 sets of wafers, 2 opposing each other running from the regular bitting of the key, and a 3rd independent set which runs by the side milling on the warding part of the key. So there it is, the duo cam lock, raked open with a custom snake. So rate it if you liked it. Peace as always. Don't use this information illegally, and have fun.